Hey guys, it's me, Kylie. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if this is your first time here. Hello, and today I have a fabulous Chanel unboxing. I hold this up as though this says Chanel. It doesn't. It says Saks because I don't have a full-on Chanel boutique anywhere near me. If you've watched some of my other videos, I have said that before. I do not have a full-on Chanel, but I do have a Saks and I do have a Chanel in my Neiman Marcus. So I have the option, but just not the full-blown experience with the bag and everything, but that's okay. So if you're wondering if my last video, or maybe two ago, was in the same outfit with the same makeup, you would be right, because I went to Saks today and had my makeup done at the Chanel counter, and then I popped into the store and picked this beauty up. And I wanted to get both of these videos done and out to you guys because I thought they had good stuff in them, and this is the kind of stuff I like to watch, so I'm trying to get it out when I can. My makeup is done, and but I didn't want to combine them because it was going to be a really long video, because you know I'm a talker. So sit back and relax and let's get started. So here is the lovely Saks bag. If you watched my, I don't know what video it was, but I did get some gift cards to Saks for Mother's Day. So yeah, this is part of that. I used those towards this. Here's the box. As you can tell, it is not a bag, it is an SLG. I'm just getting into Chanel and I'm really loving trying their SLGs and just enjoying those. I am hopefully one day going to acquire a bag, but for now I'm just enjoying my little SLGs that I'm finding. I have the most amazing sales associate in there, and I'm really having fun. So let's get this bad boy opened. Set that to the side. So here's the box. Inside is the little booklet with the care booklet and information about your piece in there. Here is the dust bag. This is actually a little bit different than the other one I have. The other ones I have, well, no, I only have one other Chanel one, so. And it is so humid out today. My hair is just a big, giant fluff, so sorry if I keep playing with it. It's looking crazy. But anyways, here it is to reveal. What do you guys think it is? Dun, da, da, da. Oh, it's so beautiful. So I got the Chanel O-Zip coin purse, I believe it's called, O-Zip coin purse, in the black caviar leather, black caviar leather with the gold, shiny gold hardware. And I just think it's stunning. They actually had a brand new one that didn't even have the sticker taken off there. So this does have a metal zip. If you've watched, I have a Chanel fashion file unboxing that was my gray Chanel boy style zip, but I really am thinking, I don't know, I just like the black. I have the black card holder. I'll link that video if you're interested. I'll try to link all this stuff down below and somewhere up in this area for you guys if you're interested in checking those out. So it does have the metal zipper, and you open it up, and on the inside, this piece is made in Spain. Here is the little card. Hopefully you can see that. I know my lights are kind of bright, but they have it as the O coin purse. So there's that. And here is my authenticity card. So I'm just so excited to have this piece, you guys. It has the classic burgundy maroon, whatever you want to call it, interior. And it's just so, I love the other one I have of this. I absolutely love it because all my extra cards just go right down in there. And it's just easy to use, and now I have one that matches my card holder, so I'm super excited. Let's take this off together if I can get it. Super shiny and super pretty. I'm so excited to add this to my collection. I just think it's so beautiful. It's so classic. I really have decided that I need to go with classic pieces because I've been getting some, you know, different colored pieces, but I really want to get my classic pieces, and then, you know, in the future maybe get some fun, funky colors and stuff. But I'm really so glad I was able to grab this while I was there. And I just think it's a beautiful little new addition. So I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your day. And there's my beauty up close. I just love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these kind of videos and enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you get notified when I put out a new video. And I will see you guys at the next one. This is Kylie. Bye.